Hello everyone, it's Darius from DeFu. Today we're diving into Cyber Essentials Accreditation, a UK government-backed scheme that helps businesses protect themselves from common cyber threats. Achieving Cyber Essentials certification not only strengthens your cyber security posture, but also demonstrates to customers and partners that you take cyber security seriously. So what is Cyber Essentials? It's a certification scheme designed to help businesses guard against the most common cyber threats, such as phishing attacks, malware, and weak passwords. By achieving this certification, your business can reduce the risk of successful attack by 80%. Cyber Essentials is especially important for businesses that work with government contracts or handle sensitive data, as certification is often a requirement for these types of projects. There are two levels of Cyber Essentials certification: Cyber Essentials and Cyber Essentials Plus. The basic Cyber Essentials certification involves a self-assessment questionnaire, which is reviewed by an external certifying body. This questionnaire covers 5 key areas of cybersecurity. Firewalls, ensuring that you have firewalls in place to protect your network from unauthorized access. Secure configuration, making sure that devices and software are configured securely by default. User access control, limiting access to systems and data to only those who need it and using strong password policies. Malware protection, implementing antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and prevent malicious code. Patch management, keeping all software and systems up to date with the latest security patches to eliminate vulnerabilities. For businesses looking for a high level of assurance, Cyber Essentials Plus requires that you have achieved Cyber Essentials, but it also requires an independent audit. During the audit, cybersecurity experts will conduct tests to verify that your security controls are working as intended. This includes things like vulnerability scans, sending of malicious emails, and testing of malicious executables. Achieving Cyber Essentials accreditation offers several benefits. First, it can give your customers and partners confidence that their data is in safe hands. In fact, many large organisations and government entities require Cyber Essentials certification as a minimum security standard when working with third parties. Second, it can help reduce cyber insurance premiums, as insurers view certification as a sign that your business takes cybersecurity seriously. The process of becoming certified starts with conducting a gap analysis to identify areas where your cybersecurity practices fall short of the Cyber Essentials requirements. From there, you can work with a certified body like DeFu IT to help implement the necessary changes and prepare your systems for certification. This might involve updating firewalls, setting up secure passwords, or training your employees on cybersecurity best practices. One of the best things about Cyber Essentials is that it provides a clear roadmap for improving your business's cybersecurity without overwhelming you with complex technical jargon. It focuses on practical, straightforward measures that are within reach of any business, regardless of size and budget. If you're interested in getting certified, DeFu IT can help guide you through the entire process, from an initial assessment to successful certification. Achieving Cyber Essentials not only strengthens your cybersecurity, but also sets you apart in the marketplace as a trusted, responsible business. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll talk about National Cybersecurity NCSC assured service providers and how they can benefit your business. Stay secure, and I'll see you then.